I'm Steve Kane. I'm a staff member of the Integrated Electronics Engineering Center. That's a focused ion beam and electron microscope, and it is used for analyzing surface features and actually etching into the subsurface areas. It gives high-resolution microscopic images. This particular piece of equipment has resolution in the nanometer range. It's much higher resolution than, say, an optical microscope. Optical microscope, you are limited to about 200 nanometers tops. And in this case, a focused ion beam, you're just getting started with that kind of resolution. Typically, we can turn around samples in a few days. Sometimes we're able to get it done the same day. We've had customers that have a defect that they have been able to pinpoint, but they're not able to characterize it. So they would send that to us, and we would be able to cross-section into that defective area and not only take images, but also get elemental analyses done. We had a customer that was having whisker growth on one of their products. So we were able to use the focused ion beam to actually cross-section one of the whiskers and down into the surface of the material from where it was growing. And we found that there was material that was collecting below that and forcing the whisker growth. They had an unstable matrix, and we basically reported that back to them, and their management then would have to make a decision if they were going to change the material set they were using.